Good morning, everybody. It is early today, which is a good thing. I'm here at Walgreens and we are gonna go inside shopping. You guys know the deal. I'm gonna go inside, show you guys deal. I show you deals that I don't do because everybody gets different things. So I walk you through the store, show you guys the deals, and then I come back and show you how I did everything, my total, everything. And then I will also have a printable breakdown for you guys below. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. So I'm excited to go shopping and let's go inside. The soft soap is on sale for $3.99, along with the Irish Springs is on sale for $3.99. We do have a digital coupon for $2 off, making it just $1.99. We also did get printables for just $1 if you need that, making it $2.99. So, but otherwise, it's an okay deal. So we have the Dove body wash. It's actually 2 for $13, but then there's also a sale that goes to the end of the month to make it buy one get one 50% off. So you're gonna get them for actually $6.25 and then $3 something. Anyways, there is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll end up paying $6.50. They didn't put the tags up, but there's a tag right here that says if you buy 2 of them, you get a $4 cash rewards, making it just $2.50, or I forgot to do the math, $1.25 each. The Purell hand sanitizer is on sale for 2 for $5. We do have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use, so you'll end up just getting it for $4 or $2 each. The Head & Shoulders is on sale for $6. You want to buy 2 of them and use the 3 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from the August P&G. You end up paying $9 for this, but then you do get a $4 cash rewards when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $5 or $2.50. Not the greatest deal, but my husband loves this stuff, so that is why I'm getting it. We have the Bic Razors for $6.49. They are buy one, get one 50% off. We do have a $4 off digital coupon that you guys want to use, and then we also have a $3 off insert coupon that we received from last week. You'll end up paying $2.73, but then you get a $2 cash rewards when you buy 2. Comes out to be just 73 cents or 36 cents each. And here's the deal if you guys are interested. We got the Secret deodorant 2 for $11. So you want to buy 6 of them. Buy 6 of them. You're going to use, I think you can do this for the Old Spice deal, but you're going to use 2 of these 5 off of 3 insert coupons from the August P&G. You'll end up paying $23, but you will get $12 back in cash rewards, where your total comes out to be just $11 or $1.83 a piece if you guys need to stock up on deodorant. Make sure you guys are checking out the school supplies. We got plastic folders for 79 cents, dividers for 79 cents. We got some of the paper folders for 49 cents, loose leaf paper 79 cents. We also have some index cards for 79 cents and 49 cents. Then we also got some mini staplers, 79 cents, and a lot of Papermate pens are all 99 cents if you guys need to get some stuff like that. So we have the Crest Toothpaste for $3 on sale, and we also have the Oral-B toothbrushes for $3, and I think the mouthwashes also. You want to end up using this $2 off 2 digital coupon that we have. Otherwise, you could do this deal twice, and you could do the 5 off of 3 and the $1 off. Depends on how you want to do it. But if you're going to use the 2 off of 2, you'll end up paying $4, and then you'll get a $4 cash rewards, making it absolutely for free. The other deal you guys can do is you want to buy 4 of these, because this is a cash rewards deal. You can end up using the 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and you'll end up using the $1 off digital coupon. You'll end up paying just $6, but then you'll get $8 back with the cash rewards, so it comes out to be a $2 moneymaker. I also have another deal, so we can buy 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. I actually have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, so you guys will end up paying $3, but then you'll get a $4 cash rewards, making it a $1 moneymaker. The Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $4. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll end up paying $5, but then you do get $4 cash rewards, making it $1. Now we also have the $2.99. I've scanned 4 different toothpaste and no digital coupon is popping up, but there is supposed to be either the deal for this one or the deal for this one. But if you can get your coupon to work, you want to use the 3 off of 2 coupon. You end up paying $2.98, but then you get a $3 cash rewards for this one, making it for free. We have the Snuggle for $2.99. We also have an all coupon for $2.99. You would pay $2.99, but then there is a $1 cash rewards, making it $1.99. Some of you guys might have a insert coupon that does expire today, Sunday, which would make it a moneymaker, or it would be free. Yeah, it'd be free. More school supplies on sale. The Crayola crayons are actually on sale for 49 cents. You guys, that's a great deal. We have the regular glue for 49 cents, and then we have the 3-stick glue for 49 cents also. Great price. If you guys need some Prego, these are actually on sale 2 for $3. You'd pay $3 for this, but then there's a 75-cent off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $2.25. The rebate does end in like less than a day, so if you guys need to do that deal, go for it. The Scott's toilet paper is $5, but there is a $1.25 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, or there is also a $1.25 digital. It's one or the other. But we also have a $1 off regular digital coupon, so you guys will get this 12-pack of toilet paper for $2.75. So the Kellogg's cereal is actually on sale for $1.88. You guys, there is a 50-cent off coupon supposedly, but it's not attaching to the Frosted Flakes. But you want to use that 50-cent off coupon, and you'd end up getting it just for $1.38. So this may or may not be a regional deal, but they do have some deals where if you buy if you buy 2 gift cards of certain products, you can get a $10 gift card. So right here we're gonna buy 2 Taco Bell gift cards for 15 bucks. We will spend $30, but then we will also get a $10 Walgreens gift card. So you'll spend $30, but you'll get $40 worth of product. So here we have the Mederma. It's actually $29.99, but on my app I can get it for $17.99. They can price match it. So we're gonna have them price match it for $17.99. There is a $7 off insert coupon that we just got in today's inserts, and then there's also a coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet for $5 off, or you can actually clip it to your card, but you'll end up paying just $5.99. But then there is an $8 rebate with Ibotta, making this a $2.01 moneymaker. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I went to Walgreens today. There's not a lot of great deals. Like last week was phenomenal, but this week there is a lot of cash rewards. I've noticed that this week and last week I've seen nothing but like cash rewards. Like everything I got was cash rewards. So I wonder if they're getting rid of register rewards, which is kind of nice because a lot of times they don't work and it's just a hassle, and I feel like Walgreens might be losing money because those register rewards sometimes don't work. So I love the cash rewards, plus you have a year to use those points up. One thing I did want to say is I saw that Walgreens is changing their curbside policy. I see these Walgreens group, I'll see people make multiple orders of like $2, 50 cents, whatever, and I even hear the employees complain about it because like they have to go pull a couple orders, several different orders for like toothpaste. And I'm not complaining, but now there's going to be, I think August 16th, there is going to be a $10 minimum curbside order. So if you guys are interested in something like that, I know some of you guys do it. I don't do it because everybody's different. I just don't like, I don't know, I just don't do it. But anyways, $10 minimum order. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. I thought I messed up on the toothbrushes. Somehow I ended up grabbing from the same spot, but they were 2 different ones. So I got this messed up, which is not a big deal. So I'm going to share with you guys what I went. So I went crazy with the Crest deal if you guys watched my breakdown. So the toothbrushes were $3, I think. I can't remember what the toothbrushes were. The toothbrushes were $3. I had a 5 off of 3. I also had a 3 off of 2. I had a $1 off, and I had a 2 off of 2. So for these, I ended up using the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So you'll end up paying just $3, but then you get a $4 cash rewards, making this a $1 moneymaker. So you could do it that way. Then I did a bunch of different toothpaste, okay? I bought 6 of the Crest Toothpaste because I wanted to take advantage of this deal. So these each were $3 a piece, each $3 a piece. I did this all in one transaction. So for 2 of them, I used the 2 off of 2 coupon. I used a $1 off digital coupon, and then I had a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So depends on how you guys want to do this, but if you use the 2 off of 2, you'll end up paying $4. You'll get $4 cash rewards, making it free. If you do the 5 off of 3 and the $1 off coupon, you'll end up buying 4 of them. You'll pay $6, but then you get $8 back with cash rewards, making it a $2 moneymaker. So you can mix and match however you want. Just make sure you guys are scanning to make sure it's the correct product. Now here is a deal, if you guys need to love this. My husband is obsessed with Taco Bell. He loves Taco Bell, and one thing he likes to do is put money on the Taco Bell app, because then he can just pick it up and go. So these were each $15. I think Chili's was involved, but it's regional, so this may or may not be in your area. But I bought 2 $15 Taco Bell gift cards. You'd pay 30 bucks. But when you do this deal, you actually get a $10 Walgreens gift card. So you guys will spend 30, but you get $40 back, which is a great, great deal. I always do this deal when they do Netflix, which has been a while. I'm gonna tell you that it's been a while since they've done the whole Netflix thing. Let's see. I ended up my son needed some glue sticks for school. These were on sale for just 49 cents, so I got some of those. And I always get crayons. We go through crayons like crazy, and 49 cents is a great, great price for crayons. Now here's a deal that you guys want to do. My store has a lot of stuff locked up. A lot of you guys question, like I got the body wash locked up. I got the laundry detergent locked up. I got this locked up. It's just an area where there's a lot of theft. I go through the store and I see open packages all the time. Like I was told that somebody one time stole 1 diaper out of a package. It's like, really? But yeah, so if you guys question like all your stuff's locked up, that's just this area. Nothing wrong with that. But this was $20.99 at the store, but I had her price match it to $17.99. We got $7 off insert coupons today. $7 off insert coupons. Plus there is a $5 off Walgreens booklet coupon. You'll get this for $5.99. But there is an $8 Ibotta deal. So you guys will get this for a $2.01 moneymaker. You guys will get this for free and you will make a profit. Great deal. So I got that. I did the Bic Razors. These were $6.49 at buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to end up using a $4 off digital and a $3 off insert coupon. You'll pay $2.73 for this, but then you get $2 cash rewards, making it just 73 cents or 36 cents a piece, which is a great deal. Now here is not the greatest deal, but with the other stuff that I got it anyways. So the Colgate toothpaste was $4. I scanned and scanned and scanned the ones that were $2.99 and nothing was popping up for digital coupons. So I'm like, that's fine. But I did this deal because I wanted to show you guys this. So $4 each. You want to use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $5 for this, but then there is a $4 cash rewards, making it $1. But with all the overage that you get for the other things, it ends up, you know, becoming free. So this is a great deal. We got the Dove body wash. The Dove body wash is 2 for $13, but it's also buy one get one 50% off. So you guys will end up paying $6. Or no, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong thing. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll end up paying $6.50 for this. But you get $4 cash rewards, making it just $2.50 or $1.25. Now, last week my fetch was not taking any of the Unilever stuff that I bought, but this time it finally showed up where if you spend $30, you get like $10 or whatever. So this popped up for that, so I got like 82 points for the fetch rewards. So if you guys need to go ahead and do that, the spend 30 deal. And then the last deal I got was the Head & Shoulders. I got this because my husband really likes this stuff, and I don't have a lot in my stockpile, actually. So the Head & Shoulders was $6 on sale. There is a 3 off of 2 insert coupon or digital coupon that you can use. You'd pay $9 for this, but then you get $4 cash rewards, making it $5 or just $2.50 a piece. So I did that because he wanted to get some of that stuff. So my total came to $37.17. I ended up getting $31.57 back. I ended up getting 82 cents back with fetch rewards, and then Ibotta, I'll get $8 back. So my grand total came to be a $3.22 moneymaker. I got everything for free, which I am excited about. If you guys enjoy this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I also want to mention the Coupon Addict shirts are available for one more week. The 16th is the last day if you guys want those Coupon Addict shirts. If you go back like a week's worth of videos, you'll see all the information about it, but just want to give you guys a heads up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. See you later. Bye-bye.